Oh, wow, 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 wow.
How about that? What is it?
Oh, it's a princess driving cart.
Like Cinderella?
Like Cinderella. I love Cinderella.
Whoa!
You guys love Cinderella?
That's her carriage.
Wow, this is great.
That's
And
incredible.
Oh! Wow! This
I didn't
is
know her carriage. Wait,
Oh!
there's more.
Whoa! This is cool. This is just like the one that the lady made it from the pumpkin and made it into the cart for Cinderella to go with the mice and there's the little mice pulling the cart.
mices.
Yeah, Gus Gus.
Oh, Gus Gus.
I love Gus Gus. You guys ever see Cinderella? If not, you gotta see Cinderella. It is so fun. I love that movie.
Keep it going.
Gus Gus. Sir, pleasure.
Pleasure. Wow, I really like that ditty. That's
this is
a really
cool.
nice little ditty they got.
You know what we
going on
need?
right
We
there.
just need a little mouse or a person to go inside.
Maybe we'll find one in the upcoming gifts.
Oh.
Never know.
If not, maybe one of us can jump in there.
That's right.
Yeah.
Squeeze. Wow.